Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to create a professional CV using Canva. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. First things first, we're going to go ahead and open Canva. Today I'm going to be using the Pro version just because I think it's really great. It has amazing features, different fonts, different images that you can use to make your CV look better, and even templates. Now right here under Create, you're going to click on it and you're going to go to Create a Design and you're going to type in CV. Now this will give you automatically like the exact measurements that a resume needs to have. But if you want to make the process a little bit faster, you're going to click on templates and you're going to put CVs. Here you're going to have more than 1,000 templates to pick from. I honestly think that one of the best templates that you can use to create a professional CV is one that looks cohesive, that looks clean, and that doesn't have a lot of information in one page. For example, this one right here, if you guys want, you can copy this name right here to use it. It looks professional, it looks clean, not so much information, because the more saturated a CV looks, let's say this one, it all depends. Obviously, this for a creative role works perfectly well, but something like this, I wouldn't recommend, especially nowadays where attention is something that we all are lacking. So you need to think that the person that will interview you needs to learn the most information about you the quickest. And that is some great tips that I can give you to create a good CV. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Bye.